Understanding almost in Dreamland, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its many mysteries. Today, we're going to explore a very picturesque phrase, almost in Dreamland. This expression is not just about sleep, but it's a beautiful way to describe a state of mind. Stay with us as we unfold the layers of this intriguing phrase and learn how to use it in our daily conversations. Almost in Dreamland refers to a state of being nearly asleep or on the verge of drifting off into sleep. It's that cozy, blissful moment when you're not quite awake but not fully asleep either. This phrase beautifully captures the feeling of being suspended between reality and the world of dreams. It's used to describe someone who is so relaxed and at peace that they are about to fall asleep. While the exact origins of almost in Dreamland might not be clear, it's a phrase that evokes a sense of poetry and has been used in various forms of literature and everyday conversation. It belongs to the category of expressions that use Dreamland to signify the realm of dreams, which is a common metaphor for describing the state of sleep or a fantastical, idealized place. This phrase can be used in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. Literal use. After reading her a bedtime story, I could tell she was almost in Dreamland, so I turned off the light and quietly left the room. 2. Metaphorical use. Listening to the soothing sounds of nature, I felt almost in Dreamland, completely detached from the worries of my day. It's a versatile phrase that can add a touch of whimsy or tranquility to your sentences. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar state of being on the brink of sleep or lost in thought. For instance, on the verge of sleep, half asleep, in a daze, daydreaming. Each of these expressions has its own nuances, but they all relate to a state of consciousness that is not fully alert. We hope this exploration of almost in Dreamland has opened up a new way for you to express the moments of peace, relaxation, and the transition into sleep. It's a phrase that not only enriches your vocabulary but also adds a poetic touch to your language. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words and rules. It's about embracing the beauty and depth of expression that the language offers. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.